Hi everyone, it's Angie Hunt here in the LDRS studio. I'm back with sneak peek number, let me get my fingers right, 4. Sneak peek number 4. HSN, August 15th, we're going to be on 5 different times. This is our biggest show yet. We have so much new stuff for you. I can't even believe how much we're bringing to you, and it's really amazing, amazing stuff. This sneak peek is going to be a brand new character from Polka Doodles. Look at her. Her name is Holly. Isn't she just precious? Look at those eyes. Look at those lips. She is just precious. I don't know how else to describe her. Look at her here. I have a fascination this summer with birds. We have, I think, 5 different bird feeders now around the house. So I get to really enjoy, my blue jays are my absolute favorite bird of all time. I just love them, and we have a lot of them, and we've got cardinals and all kinds of things. But this feeder, these feeders, I'll tell you, are bringing so much wildlife to our home. I love it. Anyway, look at her. Story time. Isn't she precious? She is just loving that book. Look at those lips. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty. Pretty. That's what she is. She's pretty. Look how precious she is. Watch it grow. There is just such an innocence about her. And look at that hair. Oh my gosh. Don't you want hair like that? She's just beautiful. These are rubber stamps, foam mounted, contour cut. These are a really good size stamp. They're all at least 3.5 inches tall, I believe. And they're just wonderful. This character is just amazing. She's a brand new character by Polka Doodles for LDRS. Look at her colored. Look how pretty. Now, because they're stamps, you can color these however you want. Look at that. Isn't she precious? And look at the little white dots on her cheeks. So cute. Story time. Look at the texture in this card. I'll tell you, I love card making. I just love it. And there's so much texture, so much dimension. I mean, seriously, wouldn't you want to get this card? I'll tell you, when I make cards, I have a hard time giving them away because they're very personal. But I'll tell you, when I get one, and when these come in the mail to me from my design team, it's like Christmas. Look how gorgeous she is. Look at her little sparkles on her dress. Do you see that sparkle? Oh my gosh, look, even the sun, watch, even the sun is sparkling. How pretty. Oh my gosh, I love them. And then here is my favorite one with the bird. Look what color it is. That could be one of my blue jays. How pretty. Oh, I love these. This character is named Holly. I cannot wait to see how much everybody loves her. She's going to be debuted on HSN. She is just stunning. We have 4 stamps. That means we have 4 stamps in a giveaway. And I already mentioned the show is on the 15th. I'm going to draw one name, and I'm going to post that winner on Monday the 13th. That's when all the winners are going to be posted. They'll be posted on our Facebook group, so make sure you join our Facebook group. Not our Facebook page, it's our Facebook group, and you have to join it. Ask to join if you haven't already done so. So you're going to leave a comment. I want to know which one of these you like the most. Is it Story Time? Let me move my finger so you can see the name. This one is called Delightful Daisy, or Feathered Friends, or Watch It Grow. So which one of these Holly stamps do you like the most? Put that in your comment below. I'm going to draw one winner. I'm going to post it on our Facebook group on Monday the 13th. So you will know before the shows even air. You'll know if you won. One winner. And share this everywhere you can. We need or want as many people to join us on HSN and to let them know how much you guys love our products. The more you guys let them know, the more they're going to allow us to bring to you. This is our biggest show yet. So we know there's a lot of people that that love these products and that want to see more. And we want to be able to bring you a lot more. And just so you know, we're already scheduled for October and November too. So they really like us at HSN. We love being there. We know how much you guys love our products and our very unique designs. We work really hard to bring you things that are unique and fun and make crafting a joy and make crafting easy and something you can do with your family, something you can do with your friends. And we want to keep doing that for you for a very long time. So anyway, I'm going to stop that right now. Make sure you leave a comment below. Tell me which one of these you like. Hopefully it'll be your name that I'm posting on Monday. And join me on the 15th of August. I think we've got 5 different shows. I'm going to have the times below. We'll see you there. I cannot wait. Bye for now.